Hi, welcome to your CLS Weekly Market Review. I'm Scott Kuby, Chief Investment Strategist with CLS. Joining me for his debut on the Weekly Market Review is Client Portfolio Manager Case Eichenberger.
Thank you.
We co-wrote this week's update. So the first one was, the big news of the week was that the Federal Reserve took patience out of its statement. What should investors take away from all of the information that came in from that last week?
Yes, interesting week. Even though the Fed actually removed the word patient, markets actually rallied later that day with other dovish language from Chairman Janet Yellen. So their GDP forecast was downgraded and their inflation outlook was actually cut, suggesting that rates may rise, just not too quickly or to a high level soon. We expect definitely more volatility in 2015 as a result of these meetings.
So generally good news overall then.
Yes.
The other two updates were really more surprise prevention updates.
Right.
One of them was that there is an English election or a British election coming up on May 7th. It looks very close, and we expect to have a coalition government rather than seeing either the Conservatives or the Labor win. Some of the smaller parties will get joined in. The net of that is we're not sure how the reactions are going to be take place in the market because overall the more conservative party, normally more pro-business, has got some anti-trade policies that may introduce additional volatility. The other one we did was a deep dive into a tactical ETF, and
Exactly.
do you want to share what some of the findings we had on that?
Yeah, this particular factor momentum ETF we looked at actually has over 60% of its assets in healthcare and consumer staples. And over 98% of its assets are just in a total of four sectors, so not diversified at all. You know, at CLS, we may seek to use factor momentum ETFs like this just in a much more diversified way. And really, momentum is just one of the factors we look at when balancing clients' portfolios.
So just a more balanced approach.
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely.
That'll do it for this week. Thank you for your time and trust in CLS Investments.